some packages. This stuff came Monday. This came Tuesday, and to be honest with you, I didn't even get Wednesday's mail in, and it is now Thursday morning at 12:30 a.m. I took a nap, fell asleep early, and then I woke up, of course. So this one I'm going to do first, and the others I'll do in a separate video. Some of them I think are swaps and happy mail, and others I think are challenge entries. So, and I'm not sure exactly which is which. This one comes from Canvascraz Creations Brandy, and she wrote on here happy mail. So let's see what we have here, if I can get this open. Hello, Callie. My kitty came to see us. You can come in, sweetheart. It's all right. There's room. I think there's room for you to walk. Yeah, I haven't gotten this room straightened up, guys. May's going to be a busy month. One of my next videos is going to be, let's see, what is it going to be? My plans for May. Okay, so, let me try and pull this out. And she wrote happy mail with a smiley on the back, too. Oh, cool. Alrighty, let me sit this here. I think, oh, that's cool. I think I actually won this. It's an adult Christmas coloring book. Thank you, Brandy. Let me just flip through quickly. Oh, there's some cute things in here you could actually color and then cut apart and make, some of these are small enough. And it's single-sided, so you could cut them and cut them out and make, what am I trying to say, embellishments. There's a house scene. Tell you what, I better get coloring. I got a lot of coloring books now. This is really cool, though. I like this Christmas one. And I don't think I had a Christmas one. Look at the birds and the holly. Very cool. Sorry, I probably wasn't even in frame. And some bells and stars. Alright, cool. And the deer. So that's that. And then she sent me some coffee time is any time. Yeah, isn't that the truth for me? And let's see what this one is. Life is short, eat dessert first. Absolutely. I agree with that totally too. And then she sent some bling. I don't have those actually. They're pretty cool. Some are opaque and some are clear. And here's, look at this cute card with the Easter bunny butt. So cute. Oh, she sent me a bicycle note. Aww. She says, Deb, I put some late birthday / happy mail together for you along with your coloring book win. Hugs, Brandy. Thank you, Brandy. I appreciate it. And she's got the bicycle with the banana seat and the little bird on the seat. I used to have a banana bike when I was a kid. And Brandy rides a bike, so that's why that's significant. Let me just sit that over there. Look at this cute raccoon bag. Isn't that cute? Let's see what's in here. Ooh. Ooh. Got a bracelet. That's pretty. Take it out. No, I'm not going to take it out. But it's a black bracelet with silver, and it's got a really pretty clasp on it. It's like one of those slide lock clasps. Very pretty. And then Iron Lily Studio 18-inch chain. It has my name, my initial, D. I will definitely wear that because I don't have too much initial jewelry for myself, and also I wear a lot of black. Black and turquoise, you know. Turquoisey aqua color, that's beautiful. Applique, flower, love it. And then we have a peachy pink butterfly, beautiful. Thank you so much for these. I don't really have many appliques. I got a few in the Donna Dreams ×3 D-Stash thing that I bought. and Debbie Vignola gifted me one, and then I had a couple other ones, but I don't have a lot. That's a beautiful piece. That looks like maybe it came off a wedding dress or something. And then a lavender with a little spray at the bottom. So pretty. And this one here. Gorgeous. And then let's see. Oh, hey, it's a tea holder. Chamomile. You know, I probably should take that right now. Drink that right now to help me sleep, right? And it just says hey, and it's got the hearts on the little teacup. Very cute. I know Brandy made some of them for a craft fair too. These are bookmarks. Oh, look at the kitties. She knows I love kitties. She's a dog person, so thank you, Brandy. And the cats are like in the fishbowl or looking at the fishbowl. My kitty's staring at me like, who are you talking to? Must be confusing to them, right? The critters. And this one's beautiful too. Look at how long that is. Beautiful. Oops. Thank you so much. And one more. Ooh, that's pretty too. That's definitely a wedding dress. That must be that wedding dress that you were cutting apart. I don't know, but it's gorgeous. Thank you so much. Oh, and there's a yellow lace here too. Ooh, that's pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, I love it. I will find some use for that. I'm not a real shabby chicy kind of person, but I do like to use appliques and lace on my paper craft. So we shall see. And I try to make things shabby for those that like shabby chic. I don't always succeed. And what's in here? Ooh. Ooh. It's like an altered journal. And it's got a pen. And look this. Did you make this satin, I'm going to call it a rose, satin rose, because it's got roses on the binder. Very pretty. And then she's got some lace and some pearls going down the front and the back. Oh, it's a clip. This one's a clip. It clips on and off. Oh, that is so cool. It's like a brooch hairpin. Oh, I could wear flowers in my hair. And then it's got an elastic. And it's a journal. You know what? I might use this for my hashtag 100 things challenge that I'm going to be doing coming up soon. Yeah, it's an altered book. Thank you so much, Brandy. I will definitely be using this one. You know I like books and journals and stuff. Alright, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Love it all. Somehow I thought your entry'd be in here too, but anyway, I appreciate it, Brandy. I do. Thank you for the happy mail. And I'm probably going to make use of that tea very shortly. I just have water here now. So guys, let me go get this one uploaded. I'll take these down to my kitchen. I won't be altering those. I'll just use them or hang them. I have 2 hooks to hang them in my kitchen. I used to have birdhouse ones there, but I've used them. So yeah, I'll definitely hang these up. Thank you. And this I'll put with my coloring books. Alright guys. Thank you again, Brandy, and I'll talk to everyone later. Please go over. I'll put a link to Brandy's channel. She does a lot of live streams now, jointly sometimes with Mars from Michigan, Happy Mail Tina and family, Andrea Stever, Kathy's Cards, sometimes T Friday 77 joins in, and probably some others. I think Rosa at... I think it's Explosive Creations by Rosa. I'm not sure anymore. She used to be New Dawn Art, and I just don't have the name right. But anyway, Brandy does a lot of live streams. She does a lot of yard sale, garage sale hauls, and very talented crafter. And a nice person to boot. Alrighty? So go check her out, check her channel out, and subscribe if you haven't already. Hugs, love, and peace, everyone. Bye for now.